Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a timer to your videos, which will help you show how long something takes. And it's really not that difficult to do, so stay tuned and let's find out how it's done. Our first step is to get a timer video. To do that, you can download a timer video in HitPaw Edimakor. Just click Pixabay in the top right panel and search for timer. Here you can choose one you like and download it. After you download it, you can drag it to the timeline. But if you don't like any of them, you can also download one online or record one yourself. Here I'm gonna download it from Pixabay. Okay, now you can see the timer is already downloaded. You can drag it to the timeline. Now let's go to My Media and drag the other video to the timeline. Now make sure the timing video covers the other video. We drag the timing video to the top of this video. Now let's adjust its size and position. Put the timing video wherever you want. And finally, adjust its length. To make it start at the beginning of the place you want to start timing and make it end at the end of the place you want to stop timing. Okay, that's how you can add a timer to a video. If you like this video, please follow me to learn more about editing skills. See you in the next video.